Today I'm going to show you how GoTo Connect integrates with Microsoft Dynamics. To get started, you first need to install the application on your PC or Mac. This can be accessed from the GoTo Connect support page and searching on an article on how do I integrate with Microsoft Dynamics. Scroll down to the section where you can download the Windows or Mac versions of the applications. Click to install the appropriate instance. When you first install the application, this window is the first thing that you will see. The onboarding process is a 5-step process. First, within the application, you're going to select the language, then select the terms of service, and then you need to sign into your GoTo account. The next step is to link the GoTo account with a Microsoft Dynamics account. This is done by clicking on the Link Account button on the app, which in turn opens up the GoTo integrations page. To link the two, you will need to populate the base URL of the Microsoft Dynamics instance into the integrations form. Success will be indicated on the GoTo app when the link button changes to Unlink Account. Now let's have a look at the features that are available with the integration. To illustrate that, I will place a call to my account from extension 1000. As you can see, the application shows that it has found no match for the calling party. I therefore get presented with an option to either create a new contact or create a new lead. Let's see what happens when I take the option to create a new contact. I am presented with a new form where I can add the first and last name. Clicking on the Add Contact button will create a new contact in Dynamics and will open the Dynamics page with the contact details. As the contact is loaded into Dynamics, you will find that the app gets updated with additional task options. I can create a new contact with this very same number. I can create a new case. I can create a new lead, and I can create a new opportunity. As we have already created a new contact, let's see what happens when we create a new case. For the case, the form provides me simply with the title for the case. I'm going to call it test case. Once I add the case, it updates Dynamics and opens a new page with the case created. As you can see, since I have called from extension 1000, the customer details are updated with those phone numbers. Also, the case title has been updated with the name I have given it in the form. I can then continue to show the third option of creating a new lead, which behaves very similarly. For the lead, the form asks for a new name, and I can also add the topic or the lead name, which I will call it test topic. Adding the lead, yes, you guessed it, opens up a new Dynamics page with the created lead. You can see that the phone number has been updated, and the 3 items I have added in the GoTo form now appear in the Dynamics lead page. And the last task in the form is to create a new opportunity. Here the form simply presents me with the opportunity topic, which I will call test opportunity. When I create that opportunity, it also is going to open a new browser page with a Dynamics created opportunity. Another feature that this integration is capable of is looking at my call history. As you can see, there is a record that has found no match for the calling number. So what I'm going to do is find out within Dynamics the contacts that are available in my list. I can see Carla Yates as a valid contact. So let's use her in my search in the GoTo app. The search locates Carla, and now in the 3 dots to the right, I can assign that previous call to Carla and only for that particular call. And now if I click on this red sync button, it's going to sync this 1000 number with Carla Yates's contact. For now, her business contact seems to be 1014, but after the sync, if I open her contact in the CRM system, I should see 1000 updated. Note this function only updates the business phone field. There is one more thing that I can show you. Now, if we look again at our call history, we can see that the number 1000 has been assigned to 2 users, which means that for a new call, there will be multiple users that are going to pop up. Let's see how that works by making another call from extension 1000. Here is the call, and I'm going to ignore it. Now you can see that previously we had no match found. Now the application tells us we have multiple matches, and we can assign it to an existing contact. We could actually create yet another contact or create a new lead by clicking Show More, but we're not going to do that. We will instead allocate the call to an existing contact. And you can see it automatically performs a search in the contacts list within Dynamics against the number 1000, with 2 contacts showing. I'm going to assign this call to Carla Yates again. So if I go into the call history, this new call that I just received is now showing as Carla. Now, if I open this contact, I can perform any of the 4 actions against the contact. I can create a new case, for example, test case for Carla, and this case is going to be created for Carla Yates. As you can see, the case title is Test Case for Carla, and the customer is Carla Yates. And when we click on the customer, it shows that the business phone is indeed 1000. This concludes the demonstration of the features included with the GoTo Connect integration and Microsoft Dynamics. Thank you.